महाराजा बीर बिक्रम किशोर माणिक्य बाहादुरनि फिल्ड सारा चिजनि आजिमानि सालनरुगै टिटिएडिसि खुमलंनि हेडक्वार्टर नुवाई हल नग संसाजाकनाय कायसा बुबाग्रा बीर बिक्रमनि कानमुं चुमुं तै बिनि हामजांमानि मानै तिप्रा सिरिसितिनि हुकुमु मुकुमु मानै रक फुनुक मानि पान्दा o tangbatangno luwajinai Indian National Trust for Art and Culture Education Organization ni convener Mahar Rajkumari Pragya Dev Burman bini jugali mungbaino TTADC hapangni sakthar mungbai bwskangni 18 bai 19 tarik August nokha salniromui o panda songjajaknai o panda jugalinani bagino fasala thangai naikha Mahar Rajkumari Pragya Dev Burma logiwo tongkha EM Komal Kolai MDC Constable Manokhobai kobri nangnai soknai adongro
program we're trying to do for the first time in Kumlu. Normally, okay, you know me, everybody? Oh, you don't know? Okay, I am Bubagra's elder sister, Maharaj Kumari Pragya. Okay, but also at the same time, I'm also the convener of an organization called Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage. It's a big organization that works for the history, development of art, culture, awareness programs all over India and also abroad. So I'm in charge of Tripura from 2002. So for so many years, I've been organizing programs on awareness, seminar, workshop. Then for the first time in 2008, when it was 100 years of Maharaja Veer Vikram, his birth anniversary was observed for the first time by our organization. I organized it in Agartala. After that, it grew momentum and a lot of people started appreciating what we did and they started following our example and doing similar programs all over Tripura. As a result of which, I think we all know now that it's been declared a state holiday, Maharaja's birthday. So now it is my wish, and I'm sure a lot of us, we all want the same, that Maharaja Veer Vikram's name should be put, forward for many more things. And in our rural areas and in places like Kumlong and other places, many people are still not aware of all his contributions. So that is why I thought this time, along with the TTADC and all of you, we'll organize a nice program here for 2 days. 19th is his birthday, but we start on the 18th evening and it will conclude on the 19th. And so we'll have an exhibition on his life. And I have a lot of old photographs and some documents, rare things, which I will exhibit over here. So when people come, they can go all around the gallery and they'll get an idea of his life. At the same time, we'll have a program here. Okay? So I need all your cooperation and I hope you all will also enjoy yourselves in the process.